Donc j'accueille Richard Binhammer, qui est le directeur du social media de Dell. On a beaucoup d'honneur on est très honoré de vous avoir ici. Alors Richard, can you tell us a little bit about Dell? For many people, Dell is about hardware. I guess you have many other projects in the pipe. Est-ce que vous pouvez nous dire, nous parler un peu de Dell, et est-ce que Dell c'est toujours que des ordinateurs?
Yeah, you know, Dell's always evolved as a company. We have a significant business related to public sector, serving governments and community organizations, both with hardware and IT services. Also the same with large enterprise. A lot of people think of us just as a consumer company, but we also do large enterprise, and in that respect we do a lot of work. You know, it's not just the desktops on your computer, but it's the storage, it's the data networks behind a large enterprise, it's the services. So, you know, Dell is really a solutions and services company where we're looking to do more, help our customers use technology and do more with technology.
D'accord, donc pour traduire brièvement ce que vient de dire Richard, Dell, c'est bien évidemment des ordinateurs, mais c'est aussi tous les services de data, de storage qui vont avec, au service des entreprises, des clients aussi publics, des administrations notamment, des ministères, etc. Et donc c'est une offre qui a évolué à travers le temps. The motto of the web this year is social, local and mobile.
Right.
What does it mean for Dell? Est-ce que le mot d'ordre social, local, mobile pour Dell a une résonance particulière?
Well, you know, I think the web continues to evolve, right? And that's what I was just talking about today, is the continued evolution of the web. And well, it may be social, local, and mobile. It's also, you know, throws off all kinds of data, and, you know, big business and small business can use that data to do better things and be more customer connected. And I think Dell's always been about customer centricity and connection with our customers and direct relationships. And the web is very much a part of that, whether it's, you know, through our channel partners, or whether it's with our retail partners, or direct with our customers.
D'accord, mais en fait pour Dell, le fait d'être social, local et mobile, c'est pas du tout une révolution, c'est un prolongement naturel de ce que Dell fait actuellement, en accompagnant les clients, en donnant accès à des datas qui sont de plus en plus précises sur les clients, sur les consommateurs, et de fait ces données sont maintenant locales et mobiles. How do you live the web? Have you been through interesting discoveries, meetings? Qu'est-ce qui se passe comment vous vivez votre web 2011?
Yeah, you know, the web is an interesting overall experience, really. You know, I mean, there's some, you know, I've met some interesting people. Had some great conversations with people about social and business. Seen some startups and people that are around showing off their things. So, you know, it's always makes you think, and that's a good thing.
Ok, alors ce que dit Richard, c'est que le web, c'est toujours plein de rencontres, toujours plein d'innovations intéressantes, beaucoup d'interactions entre les gens. Do you feel the crisis here in the web? Est-ce que vous ressentez les effets de la crise dans ce qui se dégage du web?
Do I feel which?
The economic crisis. Do you feel it?
No, not here. No, I don't feel it here.
C'est une bonne nouvelle.
I mean, I read about it in the news, but no, you don't feel it here.
Alors, ce qui est intéressant, c'est que pour Richard, la crise, elle est un peu restée aux portes du web. On la sent pas ici, on sent vraiment une effervescence, beaucoup d'innovation, beaucoup d'énergie. Okay, do you have any comment or anything to say to the French audience here?
Well, I think you know, the social web has significant ramifications for communicators. You know, I come out of the public relations business and government affairs and public affairs business, and the whole kind of social aspect of the web really kind of flips how we traditionally think about communications. You know, it almost becomes a bottoms up instead of a top down, and I think that's going forward and into the future. I think that's a really interesting challenge for professional communicators.
Ok, alors le conseil ou le message que Richard aimerait faire passer aux au public de la ACC, c'est que bien évidemment l'aspect social renverse complètement les logiques de communication, qu'on passe d'un schéma émetteur-récepteur à un schéma inverse, où finalement la cible prend tout son pouvoir, et que bien évidemment ça amène à repenser complètement la manière dont on communique, les stratégies de communication, également les priorités. Voilà. Thank you very much. Wish you a good web.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci à vous.